to easily delete your Spotify account. So to start, we'll just have to open the app, and then in here we'll have to tap on this profile icon. After that, go to settings and privacy. Under here, we'll have to tap on the account option, and then after that, you will now see this option to delete your data permanently, close your account. Simply tap on the close your account option. And then after that, you will be asked if this is the account that you really want to close. Make sure that you have logged into the account that you want to delete or close. So if you really want to delete your Spotify account, all you need to do is to tap on this continue to close your account. Keep in mind that you will only have 30 days to reactivate your account. After 30 days, if you did not reactivate your account, your Spotify account will be permanently deleted. So that's how easy you can delete your Spotify account. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!